Hello everybody, welcome to Adam's Food Review number 3. Today I will be fine dining on some cheese crackers with cheddar cheese. If it's cheese crackers, did you really have to put cheddar cheese? I'm not gonna ask. Let's just get right into it, I guess. Do it upside down. I'm fucking a rebel. That worked out well. Okay, I get some. Oh fuck. Got some nice crackers here. That's pretty good. That's delicious. Oh my god! That's delicious! Holy crap! There's a bit left here. Holy crap! Holy crap! That's so good. You know, I love these crackers so much. I have to clean that all up. Seriously, this is really good though. That was a mess. Fuck. Oh, Oh. Yeah. It's alright. Hey, what's it called? 5-minute rule? I love carpet fuzz. Oh, good. That's so good. Oh, I love it. It's so good. Oh, yeah, this landing right in a cobweb. Why is it tingly? Oh, there's a chunk with cheese and dog hair on it. Bon appetit. You guys didn't realize I have the worst gag reflex ever. This is why my channel is dying. I want comedy so bad that I would make a mess and eat a cobweb covered cheese cracker. And I would tape my face too. This is what Not Funny Comedy has come to. So, hold on. Not that much. Oh, fuck's sakes. Alright, fuck it. I am gonna go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what I should do next. There's probably gonna be another video, because this one was pretty fucking short. Oh my god. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Sadly, there will be one. So here's the aftermath of a food review on my stereo, all over. Crumbs down there, which I am not gonna get. Crumbs on here on my CDs. There's some on my camera. Shit! I gotta clean this up. Get a YouTube, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They can go shove my foot up their ass. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up. That's why I'm not gonna listen to you anymore, Danny. It'll be fun, they said. You'll get lots of subscribers, they said. You'll be internet famous, they said. Bleh. Sucks. You have responsibilities, you gotta take care of them. Woo-hoo. Suck me off. God, this sucks. Mm-hmm.